Now, again, time has passed for a beautiful summer into one cold and cozy autumn. But with autumn also comes a lot of apples. So today I want to share one recipe with you, something that you can put all those lovely apples in. I'm gonna share with you one French style apple pie recipe. Come with me, let's cook together. For this apple pie recipe, it's all very simple and I'm using my Thermomix. But don't worry if you don't have one. Mixing the dough by hand or using a food processor works just as well. Start by adding all the ingredients: flour, sugar, water, butter, salt, and a splash of vanilla extract into your mixing bowl. Blend for a few minutes until everything comes together into smooth dough. Also, using cold butter is better for a stable outcome. Please don't overmix it as it will be too soft to work with then. In Thermomix, I am using speed 4. And this is the way to make classical pie dough. Once the dough is ready, transfer the dough onto a floured surface. Sprinkle a little flour on top and gently roll it into a ball. And after that, pop it in the fridge to chill for about an hour. Can be left in the fridge also longer if needed. While the dough is resting, let's move on to the apples. Peel them first, cut them in half and remove the seeds. You can use any type of apples you like, and if the skin is thin and soft, feel free to leave it on. Today I'm using fresh organic apples from my garden. They are starting to turn brown as I work with them. To prevent oxidation, just put your apples in cold water with a bit of lemon juice and it will keep them from turning brown. Now for a little trick to get those perfect apple slices. Grab 2 metal chopsticks and place them on either side of the apple as you slice. This way you cut the apples evenly without slicing all the way through, keeping them intact. This is the same technique used for making Hasselback potatoes. Next is time to prep your baking dish. I'm using a rectangular tart pan and giving it a generous buttering. But if you don't want to use the butter, a round tray with baking paper works great too. Now take the chilled dough and roll it out between 2 sheets of baking paper that are covered with flour. That way you won't have to deal with sticky mess. Roll it evenly, making sure it's large enough to cover your pan. Once rolled, peel off the top paper and gently lay dough into the pan, carefully removing the paper as you go. Press the dough into the edges and trim away excess. And make sure the edges are even. Don't forget to poke a few holes with a fork to let the steam escape. And then pre-bake it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Now for the filling. Take your pre-baked crust out of the oven and spread a layer of apple jam over the top. I made this jam earlier by simply cooking down some apples, no sugar needed. It adds moisture and lovely fresh flavor. Lay your apples on top of the jam and sprinkle them with a lot of cinnamon mixture. You can use a little bit of sugar to cover all the apples evenly and to have a nice flavor. And bake the pie for about 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees until the apples are tender and golden. My pie is ready, and to finish, I'm whipping up some fresh cream to serve alongside the pie. But that's totally optional. You can skip this part if you like, and the pie will still be delicious on its own. Let the pie cool for a bit before serving, and just look at that juicy, mouth-watering slice. This pie is bursting with flavor, and it's a perfect company to a cozy cup of coffee or tea, especially on a rainy autumn evening like we will have. Doesn't that look irresistible? Yummy! I hope this inspires you to make this at home. Enjoy! So if you like my content and want to see more of my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, put the like, and I always love to read all the comments from my viewers. If you have any ideas, then just write and let me know. Thank you so much. Bye!